find the product. Do you know what that means?
Yes, it's the answer to a multiplication problem.
Good, right? So obviously we can see that we're going to multiply 8 times 104. So when you look at that, because we're not going to write it down and work it out, we're going to see if we can do this in our head.
Yeah.
So how do you want to approach that problem?
Well, if you multiply 8 times 4, it's 32. So the end of the multiplication problem has to end in a 2.
That's a good thought, right?
Yes.
So it could be B or C, because those both end in 2.
Yeah.
So how do you know which one it's going to be? Well, what's 8 times 4, first of all?
8 times 4 is 32.
Okay. Do we see a 32 up there at all?
No. Yes.
Okay, at the end of C, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then if we took this 4 and just made it a 0, what would it be? 8 times?
8 times 0?
If we took the 4 and made that a 0, it would be 8 times 1, 0, 0. 8 times
100.
100. And what's 8 times 100?
8 times 100 is 800.
800, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you look at the problem, we have 8 times, the 1 is in what place value?
The 100?
It's in the hundreds, so that's 100. Okay, there's no value in the tens, it's just a 0, right? We're using it as a placeholder basically right now. And the 4 is in the ones, right? So it's just 8 times 4 is 32,
32.
right? And 8 times 0 is,
800. So,
So-
it has to be 832.
okay, so 8 times 100 is 800, right? And there's no tens. So we just have 800 and we have 32 to add together. So what will the answer be?
832.
You're feeling good about that. Even though B has a 2 at the end of it. So whoever showed you that little thing about the number has to end in a 2, that's a pretty slick thing to know. But sometimes there might be more than one answer with a 2 at the end of it, right? All right, so let's take a look and see if indeed you are correct. There you go. C is correct. First problem well done.